Repeat after me and improve your speaking skills. 75 essential English phrases you must know. I'm just trying to do my best every single day. Could you please tell me how to get to the station? I didn't quite understand that. Could you say it again? I'm looking for something nice, but not too expensive today. I've been learning English for about 2 years already. I usually wake up early because I like quiet mornings. I'd like to order something light and healthy for lunch. It takes me about 20 minutes to get to my work. I'm not sure if I have enough time to finish this. Could you please speak a little slower for me, please? I don't really like coffee. I prefer tea instead. I think learning English is easier when you enjoy it. I'm planning to visit London next summer with my friends. Let's go somewhere nice where we can relax and talk. I forgot to bring my umbrella, and now it's raining heavily. I'm not very good at cooking, but I'm learning slowly. It's been a long day. I just want to rest now. I like listening to music when I'm walking to work. I usually spend my weekends reading or watching something interesting. Could you recommend a good place to eat around here? I didn't expect to see you here. What a surprise! I'm really sorry for being late. The traffic was terrible. I'd love to come, but I already have other plans today. It's important to drink enough water during the whole day. I don't mind helping you if you really need some support. I usually go to the gym 3 times a week after work. I'm not sure what to wear. It's quite cold outside today. Let's take a short break and then continue our discussion. I'm trying to eat more vegetables and less junk food now. I need to buy some groceries before the shop closes tonight. I was really tired yesterday, so I went to bed early. I'm learning new words every day to improve my vocabulary. I love spending time outdoors, especially when the weather's nice. I can't wait to see you again. It's been so long. I'm not sure if I locked the door before leaving home. Could you please help me carry these heavy bags upstairs? I think we should try something different for dinner tonight. I'm always happy to help if someone really needs it. I haven't seen that movie yet, but I heard it's great. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice. I'm trying to save some money for my next big trip. Could you tell me more about your experience working abroad? I didn't know you were interested in photography. That's cool. I'm still thinking about what to give him for his birthday. I prefer watching movies at home rather than in the cinema. I can't believe how quickly this year has gone by already. I'm going to call you later when I finish my work. I always forget where I put my keys after coming home. I'd like to learn how to speak English more fluently. I need to finish this project before the deadline tomorrow. I was so tired that I fell asleep watching television. I'm really interested in learning about different cultures and people. I think I've made some progress with my English pronunciation. I'm going to the supermarket. Do you need anything from there? I always write down new words so I don't forget them. I was surprised to see how friendly everyone was there. I'm learning English because I want to travel the world. I feel much better now after getting some rest and tea. I'd like to buy a small gift for my best friend. I didn't have time to cook, so I ordered some food. I really enjoy learning English through songs and short videos. I always try to be polite, even when I'm very tired. I'd like to travel somewhere warm during the winter holidays. I don't usually go out on weekdays because I wake up early. I'm trying to read more books to improve my imagination. I forgot to charge my phone, so it turned off suddenly. I think it's better to learn from mistakes than to quit. I'm really looking forward to meeting you next weekend. I don't know what that word means. Could you explain it? I feel more confident speaking English than I did before. I need to clean my room. It's really messy right now. I try to spend less time on my phone every day. I'm not sure how to say this word correctly in English. I'd like to practice speaking English with someone regularly online. I don't like staying up late. I prefer going to bed early. I'm interested in learning new skills that can help my career. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice.